Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Agasenjam kabathamai pat banwanra ya kajingetre rang kabayajan bat ki patba ki Pulit kari Bhoi hapo kajingelam jong u Senior Superintendent of Police u Vivekanand Singh Rathore lem bat u Additional Superintendent of Police uba Orville Masar Hinden kamiet kilapan mi madan saya ki dekat VDP Kashnong Quinine kabakan thop iki Longkmie bat khon samla ha kajing Bteng ban Talasi ki kali pen Khanan ha kasurok ba National Highway 6 hari Bhoi katkum katalong khubor na ki Pulit kajing Talasi kabalapan long hinden kamiet kata omtang ha Quinine Henry ha kaleng jong kari Bhoi district layo bandan kuna hado san laktingka na ki nongnya kali ki bapan Khanan kata kenthop na do ki banya ha kajing shok khau yang kajing pendat ya kilat LED ki bathaba kajingnya claim license bat shibon ki we de ki jing pen Khanan ha kani kajan met la sakhi bawat ki Longkmie VDP jong kashnong Quinine haringkal ki khon samla kila ai kajing hikai ru ikinongnya kali kumno bandeng ya ki seat belt bat banumnya kali haba labuat naba kabo ya ki badiki we de ki nonglet nongwan ha kajing ma u Vivekanand Singh Rathore ha kajing kren shikila pathai kubor ha kani kamiet ulai thu ba kajing Bteng ya kani kajing Talasi kali ha kini ki ar lai tayo ki baladem kade halor kajing thmu ban pen Duna ya kajing Jingjia Tyngkhuh kali bat ban pen khlan ya kajing pet ngor na kaliang jengki pat baru kumju
Silang में तारा बियर दिया था
किराए की ब्रियो खुला वाला है
इधर है सर पति ये रहा जना तो खोलिए सामने से लेके आओ थोड़ा नहीं हाँ अभी हुआ ना Put masanya dah aduh dah masanya put Sempat.
Padot panik kan? Wah, masuk kelas ini lambat kendap. Kau tengok. Kau tengok lah kayak. Hah? Iya bang. Jom. Tinggal dia hari. Kalau di tak ke bang. Kayak mana?
Put.
Ah,
betul. Put.
Ah, di lagi dia tengok. Senang cepat. Put na. Put. Cepat. Dan license. Dan ini. Ah, good. Hey.
वो तो है सर ये हो गया
Mama, ada di formo. Saya pi mama.
हाँ ये
Sampun royo. Jalan.
ऐसे नहीं सामने से बराबर
This is a bull bumper.
No, this is
This is a big bull bumper.
no,
This is the guy. This is the guy. What a guy. 10 plus 2000. Alteration 5000. 17,000. और क्या पहले देखो हाँ सर
Đơn em này sân to ông hay gì? Đơn em. Bạn đơn cho mình đi nhá. Ông cho bạn cầm máy vào đấy. Không. Cầm máy không? Cầm máy không? Eh? Iya. Cầm máy ini. Otoman kasih cầm máy 4 ton ini. Lesen. Masanya Rukiro Armut lagi deh ini deh. Wah? Tuh kosong. Ada padi Bhoi yang ada ngerem jepre, ngerem Bhoi. Tuh Armut pat. Itu dari bajikan lagi yang perlu. Oh, mati dia basong itu. Padiran itu di Armut. Kalau saya lah, ini perasaan mobil. Apa ini orang? Ada Bhoi itu. Keren, komedian dah.
Everyone is aware we have been doing this traffic safety drive for last almost 2 to 3 weeks now, and today the checking is being done with our VDP friends here from Quinine Nonglado. So we all want the VDPs to be part of our enforcement drives also, because see, we have around 650 villages in this district, 650 to 700 roughly, and every VDP has around 15 to 20 members. So that brings the count to around 10 to 12,000 persons. So we are trying very hard to constitute VDPs in each and every village of our district, so that we have around 10 to 12,000 boys and girls who will actually become our eyes and ears. We have seen in the past that a lot of children have gone missing in various parts of the state, some on their own, some were kidnapped also, few murder cases were also reported. So if we have these VTP friends in every village, we take it as a very strong mechanism to prevent crimes in future. So that is the whole thing, and the state government under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister Sir, Home Minister Sir, even the Chief Secretary Sir, DGP Ma'am, they are very positive about that this idea, and serious consideration is going on to provide certain equipment to our VDP friends, as well as some monetary allowance to boost their morale. So it's a work in progress, and we believe that with VDPs in our assistance, we'll be much better placed to prevent crimes, especially the road traffic accidents, and also during investigation of the cases. The whole idea is to assign a group of 5 to 10 households to each VDP member, so that he can keep watch on those households, and if there is any problem, anyone troubling a child, or maybe stalking a child, or harassing him or her in the school or college or in the village. So these small things which generally go unreported, that information also comes to us, so that we can improve the visibility of police force in those villages through our regular patrolling and all. So it's a consistent drive. Primary objective is to stop road traffic accidents, and the data is very encouraging. People have been very supportive of this drive, and in last 2 weeks roughly, we have hardly seen any accident happening on the roads, which was not the case in last few months. So this is giving us results, so we are further emboldened to work harder and we keep on changing our venue. Today we are at Quinine because this is one of the hotspots where most of the traffic accidents have been reported from. There are similar hotspots in other parts of the highway, like Shang Bangla is one of the spots, Umling is another spot. So we'll be changing our location as well as timing of the checking, so that that element of unpredictability remains. And some people, now we are getting reports that people ask that whether there is a checking going on in Bhoi. So that's a good sign. That's a positive sign. We are not harassing anyone. Its whole thing is aimed at saving lives. So it's a noble cause, and we are fully energized. The whole team is here. One point I would like to say, that we as officers, we get all the attention, the optics, the social media, but actual heroes are behind us. These are the people, the constabulary, the head constables, the nayaks, lance nayak. They often go unreported. Without them, officers can't do anything. So they are the actual heroes behind the success of this drive. They have been standing on road not only during these special drives, right from the morning around 7:30 a.m. they are on the roads, manning the traffic points so that our children can go to school safely. So the credit goes to them as well. They have been absolutely amazing, and it's the constabulary who keeps the police force running. So my message through this media bite is also that uh, the constabulary, who are the real heroes in this whole crime prevention and crime control scheme, they should also be duly recognized. At the same time, our VDP friends, today we have from Quinine Nonglado. So we would like to thank our VDP friends here. They have been standing with us since around 5 p.m. today. It's already almost 10. So last 5 hours they have been working with us. So we thank them from the bottom of our hearts. And at the same time, I appeal to all our friends who are engaging with us on social media platforms, various platforms. Give us suggestions to further improve the any aspect of policing which you feel should be improved. And constructive criticism is also welcome. We take your comments very seriously. We work on them. Some comments can be implemented immediately. Some comments are policy level decisions, so it takes some time. But rest assured, we go through each and every comment you post on our social media platforms, various media channels and all, and we work on it. So ultimately, let us collaborate and work together to make this district and this beautiful state as crime free as possible, so that our children can go to school freely, they can enjoy their life freely without being scared or anything like that. So thank you so much again to our VDP friends.
VDP na ni po Sdang Pinay ng lado. I suwan ay kublay ay police officer sa Bhoi na do SP, additional SP, i charge of traffic ko jo. Osi jo kanong po branch. Ngai kublay ki observer fight sa Bhoi. Kibala ya simbanta namta banya checking kali hari jadi makum jo ai kublay ki members lagi ki VDP kalau kidan ki Longkmie ki samla kirang ba mo bagi dan bentalang ki members ki VDP ai kublay lang ki. Dan kalian jongi ni sngo kia habang yu shibun ki kubor ba ki Jingjia ki accident lengba ki ka sok ba mo maru ka stong jungi kadan kawai na kidai kawai na kisnang ki badan hang ni apo pedeng badan kini ki sok ba namar ba janman kapor isu ki accident mana kini tayo belada pemang ba ketika bolero ba ki truk ba senani hajan di sisang skokia habang ba bun ki musim rio ki Duna bat haba iwat jinte pat kadai kada ba bun kiba accident kiba yap kiba mesau kadai ba hadian bagi ladi kiat te hadian bangi lagi ba jingwan jongi mo isa ASP baga team hi jongi police officer jong kali Bhoi kila Sdang ban checking ban bat iki kali bangi mentah pedeng alai tio la Duna ba ka accident tengiru kum kasnong hi kum ki VDP na po snong isukia tengi dan bentalang hakani kasngi na kamenta kajingbha kajingmentoy jong ka imlang salang hi balak Bhoi te kajing na kalian jongi ki VDP ngi kerpat iki pai ba kamtam e iki driver
ba umday ba pinsange kadi kiat tang ha ba dan checking rengi kerpa te phi ba subha habadi kiat haba pinya kali panam di kiat hoi kibun kirang ba kibala jumlien bandi mo imla ban khang tang ba thiet ra ban dai pla po hieng set kali sadi no kan umday ba pindi halenti ba tada ka jingdi ju phi halenti phi angandi tang khandiat andai khandiat kan ba pinda po hieng la ja pa ka jingjia ko susi andai ka jingjia susi kalang ba ba susi shu umday ba phi masau tang phi badi andai ka pen masau pa di ki we ka bam tip ai te na kalyang ga jong ni ikerpa di ki pai ba subha ban long pikir ba pinya kali kumene mo kibun ki ba ngilap ha ka jenglap jongi ha bagidan lang bagi police checking ngilap kidon ki ba tingteng wat banyak bai bat mobile tilada pinya ka bai pinya kali pibat mobile kum tu pipai mobile ada accident ke ban jai kitu ki passenger dan ki ba dan lang hajan nang ta ka kum ka awareness mo bangilap mane kibun hi ki pai ba kim ju penan kam wat di sibel te na kalyang jungi habang yoi kum tu long i kentu lang hi pai ba kadai ke jing mentoi jong phi pai ba lada jai e lada fabrik kan san le accident kum ba menu mensau phi ba syong kali te ban light na jing mensau subham penangkam lam isbel ane wat nam di kiat ane wat no penangkam ik mobile ma te kata he na kalyang jungi ban ni na kalyang jungi ni ai ro kata ka yumo ba ni nang dan benta be nang ni syakman na kam ta ka jing bha jong ka imlang salang ni nang pej ngori ka snong ka thau tham tam ni isibun ke jingjia ke ba ja ki breo ke ja ki khna keleng kari khasi te na kalen jongi VDP ni dan banta ban ya duty ka snong man pe snong ka thau kham tam khapol man miet mo te nga ai kulei ki Longkmie ba ki member jing VDP jongi ki bun ki Longkmie ki simkhia ke ne kam te na kalen jongi habade ba ka suk sain bat ka imsuk imsan ban lai de no jingma jing sao te ni kulai ban IT mo ban nakamta ka snong ka thau bangin mi bangin dan bata wala kalong mensi la ne min iklay bandan matalang
BDP juga senang kuinan hi bro away tengi ngidap dari jing su kemen hadu tata namar bagi yadon bentalang bat police department namar nakapor ngingin ju syong thai ban ya duty hapo ka senang jongi namar bagi pe jenang ta ka bha kamyat ka sung ngan senang hi bro away bat kumju di para ki senang pramajan ten roi habangi don bade Ryngkat hasda ki lang bade baka police department bade tengi ni su ngai han roi menta kambiet bade ngi lagi jong ki kmat ni saki ba ngidon bentalang ha kani bagi checking ki kali ke ni subon ba jing Duna ki kali mo ki ba kiu ki bayan kumbala ban biang mena ka ngelai lagi jong ki kman ba ki bun ki breu ki besyong kali buan rei ki bade ban pendon kam use seat belt andai tak use seat belt ru kim tip ban pendon kam mo te bun ngin hab hi ban kam tam ki don ki ken thai ngin hab ban lej mangi ban Bteng use seat belt te ka tu kaya da mo na jing sao lan de la biang kam kali mo andai la dangi hi pendon kam use seat belt ba de long ka tu ka long ka safety na kam ta ka jungi dengan kentu ken ka banta ki pat ba juro nam ta ki ba ki banyak kali ki driver sumpah ken long ba ha banyak kali sumpah wat num pendon kam kenya ki jingdi ba penbuan maka wan ra ki jing sao te mendai tang ya ki driver kam tam ki wei du mo te kam tam mangi ru ha ki bayat bayang untuk la da ki driver ki buat ki num tip syo jing sao jing yap ka jab ada nang ta ki bom tip ha bayat lenti lan ni kum ta termo te ngi kentu ken ka banta ki pat ba ki ba syong kali ki driver kam tam nang ta ki bakin bud lam ya ka rule ka an baka ik maka sarkar ka government ka pilihan te kam tam kini ki don menen la yo bat kami ki don ki Longkmie ki don ki rang baru mo ki syong scooty ndai ki helmet ki kelem pendon kamru te nang ta bade ka da jak jimat sa bade mano bajen jan mo te nang ta bade ki don ru ki kali bade habangi pej mentangi saki lagi jong ki kman bangi don lang mentang miet ki don ki kali ba ki pendon kam lagi tu ki LED light ki ba nalot ba ka company la ai gitu ki light ande ki dang pendon kam long bu tam sadala dia mo ki don segi light bani ki ba long ki krip gitu ka ba pen thabai ki wei bada te kum gitu ro kemut ngi sa ekran hi na ka pot ni mentangi saki ba mentang ki don lang hang ne ba naga liang police department kila kila te sistem sisa te naga liang jungi ke BDP jong ke snong punai ni i penpa ke jing sumu nak tak ya ka police department apa jing penia jisa SP bagi la ya don bentalang kan ya te. Ai,